Do you know what the toughest part about creating profitable WordPress blogs is? It's turning them into real income sites and making money from them. Of course, that's the hardest thing. Yes, many people have tried and failed because they do not solve the main problem, and that is, of course, fresh content. The fact is, the more content you have, the more traffic you could get, and the more traffic you get, the more money you'll make. Now, hiring writers to write content is very, very expensive. And doing it all by yourself, well, that could be very, very boring. And here's the million-dollar question. Is there a faster, cheaper, and more effective way to get fresh content and make more money from blogs? Well, thankfully, there is. Introducing WP Auto Content. It's 100% automated software that fetches fresh content from multiple sources and posts it to your blogs on complete Autopilot. Yes, you can get unlimited content from top authority and social media sites, YouTube, Vimeo, Flickr, and even Facebook. You could get content from any site on the planet that uses RSS feeds. There are thousands of sources that you could use with this very software and get fresh content every hour of every single day automatically on your site. Not just that, you can even monetize this fresh content using ads, affiliate links, and banners to earn passive income from your blogs. You can make money from Amazon without writing reviews or blog posts, earn from AdSense without creating original content, or even from automatic links promoting affiliate offers to earn commissions without any manual work. This is the best way to create money-making auto content blogs without ever having to write a single word of content. Let me ask you, if just one site like this could make you $100 per month, how many such sites would you create? That's an easy one to answer. No matter what niche you are in, this works for any kind of site in any category out there. So do you want to see how this works? Well, let me show you. Once you install and activate WP Auto Content like any other normal WordPress plugin, you'll see the Auto Content option appear in the left menu right here. Now, when you click on it, you can select the Campaigns option and then click on Create New Campaign on the next page. Now you just have to do 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to add your campaign information, how many articles you want, and how often you want them. Next, go to the content section and add a content source. Now here you could select from article sources, news sources, video sources, or even social media and e-commerce sources. You can even fetch content from top authority sites using the RSS feeds option. Literally hundreds and thousands of sources that can get you content to your site can be added right here. There is absolutely no limit on how many articles you can post to your site using this software. And finally, step 3. You can select how you can make more money from your site. Add banner ads, use Google AdSense, or add Amazon ads, or use the text links option to automatically link keywords to the right affiliate offers and make lots of money. That's it. Now go to the campaign section and press one button. Your campaign will actually start publishing content instantly to your site, and your site will start growing every hour of every day. The best part is you don't have to do a single thing. Just set and forget. Watch your site get fresh content every day without ever paying for expensive writers or doing boring manual content writing yourself. WP Auto Content also allows you to use automatic content spinners, which will ensure that your content is SEO friendly. So the more content you have, the more traffic you will get from the search engines. Do you want to automatically earn commissions, extra commissions on Autopilot like this with WP Auto Content? Yeah, this software comes with a built-in advertising system that will let you add any kind of ads before and after the articles, which means you could add Amazon ads, AdSense ads, or any kind of banners or image ads to monetize your site. But wait, that's not all. How about automatically adding affiliate links inside all your articles across the entire site? Yes, you could define keywords, and those keywords will turn into affiliate links automatically on every single article across the site. Now that's amazing, right? This plugin is very powerful, and creating passive income automated blogs has never been this easy. Did I tell you there's no limit on how many articles, images, and videos you could post to your sites? Yup, you could post unlimited articles and create huge sites. Remember, more content means more traffic. Niche content sites make a lot of money, whether it's from Amazon ads or AdSense. Creating these autopilot income sites can turn it to real profits for you, so don't wait. This is a very powerful software, one that can create autopilot money-making blogs for you, and you should not think twice about downloading this. So take action today and download your copy of WP Auto Content right now and build passive income sites today. Remember, if just one site makes $100 per month, how much would 10 sites make? Only during this special launch, you can get the unlimited sites license because it will be gone soon. And we may even take away the unlimited articles feature and put a limit on that. So you want to grab this now while the offer is still available. Your passive income empire is waiting to get built. So download this software today and start building your sites right now. You can have this amazing new plugin at an early bird discount for the next few hours only. And I don't want you to miss out, so take action and you'll get it at the lowest price right now.